Nanti itu pesawat.
Ya, yang sama nya. Tay chưa gọi mua chiếc này là thằng người Tây hiểu rồi cả. Hôm nào Pun ay lâu cùng ra là Tây cái gì?
Ngày nay thì thôi cái tờ ngày nay chi rất từ nè chi ada yang mana tuh minum tuh lagi atau
Mending dia gue di.
Macam nomor mana dulu deh.
Ngakang gitu.
Ya, ngakang lagi kayak gue. Lagi. Lagi lagi. Lagi. Dasar tuh thi ya. Ya thi apa? Kan ada di sini di sini. Hasilnya dia hasilnya apa tuh? Untuk komputer kan dia. Itu saya tuh. Untuk komputer. Oke. Kalau itu beli nào padahal kalau nhớ rồi chị à trong cô chị à cái ông nhà cái akai itu umur dia đâu boleh umur kurang mình cứ mở đây không bao giờ là làm gì ngoài là gì không được ngoài nữa cái này nó phải nó ngoài phải là lấy nhà lấy gì đấy ở đây thì phải đồ cá thì vậy sao đó lấy cái gì đó không có biết đâu như thế nào nên là xem thằng đây rồi nhà đó kita deh aduh dia aja aduh ai salah ni kok ai salah itu ni kok ai salah itu kok yo ini kok yang kok siapa tu ni ada chút nào cũng trả được ni anh là ông là thì có một cái orang đi persen ini bisa 5% lah karena ini kayak protein ada nggak bisa jauh lagi gitu kalau itu ini perlu ya
phải sáng rồi Put me in my mấy này thấy được rồi ai ăn hơn em này là chỉ là họ thành người theo cùng khu rồi
Kim chi ba.
mà
Ay, ya te iba a sacar ya.
Hello. 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 Hello.
ꯇꯣꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯡꯍꯜꯂꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯇꯤꯛꯇ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯅꯞꯁꯜꯂꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ ꯗꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯠꯂꯦ
ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯣ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ
सिगे कꯩꯅꯣꯁꯨ ꯎꯔꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ इन्विटेशन के बाद
가시 뭐이제 만능도주 티에티 뭐이 만능도 티에티 뭐이나 아시 여한닝 메다도 와이다 시레디 게 뭐야 asona isona bre moi ha do na shmane thirty ka hai ba adu du ne ba du yaw ta de camera se dekhi da hai de hai dekhi da hai du ne laga jo camera reflection ne na camera de ai sun da ne ka ba ni do ka da ne Sauhalo kita angusik kita. Hauzik am sauhalo. Hauzik apoy diam sa sauhalo ayingi.
नते नोई से नोई कैमरा से की माली सब को मता अच्छा सर्वर से डाउन
कोई दी मैं ये ठीक से लगा हुआ है मैं मनूंग याव है जो कहीं तो इन्हें वाचे मनूंग याव जी ना तो ये ini gimana tuh anda gimana tuh
Regulation of states with ATM in policy.
Mua cái wifi này kìa. Wow. Mua pahala kitchen na kitchen pa. Ako. Ay kailan niya pag-i hello.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯑꯝꯇ ꯊꯥꯔꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤꯗꯣ
Hello, 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 hello. Yaraba. Hello, 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 hello. Ma'am, chak chabirabo. Yang kui ngang kanu energy yam yaudi ko. Hello, hello.
Okay, okay. Make sure the tabi ng bride na pinagani ba siya? Okay, okay. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, this is 사실이세. 인상을 감사해.
Aduh, ikut galeng na. Ikut sana. Duduk ke kelas labo. Bro. Betul betul siap bos. Kalau di diberikan nanti kamu bisa play dulu Exam satu kali ini langsung itu lawan. Malah kita mana tu semua lawan.
Jadi si ahan nanti waktu itu ahan itu naik kelas ini.
Speaker hapag ko.
Tabo. Wan taga mo. Tabo.
Asal sa loob din. Kinalampay sa loob din.
Hả? Không nghe. Ôi, tôi mua một ăn thật là đi không gì? Mua người xong rồi ví dụ tôi ra kiểm tra đi.
Vẫn mấy cái xin luôn rồi này.
Hai. 이게 호랭이 창자를 무참세. tại xin chào thằng một cam mấy lâu cũng mấy cái kia ho랭이 창자를 또 창자를 mấy 뭔가 잘해.
Chỉ đang chân thích là cái chạy này hai ghi chạy đấy nó mang cái chạy
ho랭이 나라 우리 시원다주 시대주 미 cái nó tàu này mày 시대 lối lại thì 시대 qua ăn ta đi cái gì dạ ye chi à này bà coi bà coi coi bà thì nhà với chàng của này chứ mày chứ tham đi
Kita sama dia mau enemy loh.
cái nó thôi kì chứ mày phăng ở bên microphone tao rồi à microphone chứ muốn phăng bên cái con mới sống qua không có 좀 간절하구나.
그런 말이나. 물러. extra nó coi này. Cepat, extra nó coi. Pilun. Pilun. Oh. Pilun.
Otak sangat lora.
Hukum semua. Nó nhiều người nó lời vậy.
जी बांगी से यार वो मैं जी बा दादा दादा तब दादा तब जी बांगी में से यार
somos solo
네.
거기서 일본이세 배는 거
기타만요 당근 같은 거. 야, 무더워. 여기 지금 뭐야? ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦꯕ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛꯇꯪ ꯊꯤꯜꯂ ꯊꯝꯃꯁꯦꯕ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯗꯣ ꯆꯥꯊꯣꯛꯁꯦꯕ ꯗꯣꯀꯨꯃꯦꯟ
अम्मा कापदी आने सब जाने हो
क्वालिटी डॉक्यूमेंट था इधर ट्राई करो बस
फोटो थाग्रबने
फोटो ट्राई कर दिया है
Tabo.
हेलो 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 खबर हेलो 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 यारे हेलो कर ले दो वांग माल हेलो हम काय दो तुम ले दो तो लिविंग पिकअप आयो ले हेलो 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 कौन हिरो हेलो हाय ना तो हेलो हाय आप लोग हेलो कितम लेवल कितम तो हेलो 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 chẳng हेलो हाँ
Jack Hole के सो Jack Hole के नोई सिगी के ना phải nó tao không nào
Hello, check. Hello, hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello.
Sulitin at kami katimpo sitanin ng manong sundingin hinalhat sampit insong kaswinaw pagkain dito singin ng akahiin tunso adi gatip na na susi pagkain ng dinahi hitsi
Kasi ani lo yung asik ka magsintaw eh nga. Ang mga katututan nyo na
ꯑꯩ ꯅꯝꯕꯔꯗꯣ ꯐꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯑꯅꯨꯀꯣ
Hello, ngasigi thauram asida yaubiriba mayam sin State Bank ki nataba atopa bank ki employee sing yaubiragadi somgi koi arrangement ni sai chir ngaktang lengsin biraga list kumba kari kumba koi yomtang negotiate tongnaba yaragadi yomtang lengsin biragnaba ai yomtang hangachari kindly yaragadi ko please.
Tabro Dada. Tarbo. Tabro. Tabro. Đây. Baik, kita thầm mình sai baik kita thầm. Ini itu sama male. Hai bro. Tarbo. Rồi, siap.
ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯕꯦꯡ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯥꯞꯄꯦ kaya hablan dadra Jadi bang kita apa? Hayo. Harake. Ta bro. Yaar bro.
Thame. 1 2 thame. Map ta lui thame. Tarbo. Dai. Thame me. Lekha. Amadi leiti ya. Go. 1 ka chale go 2 je. Go. Tarbo, fazana. Tablas. Tarbo. Yabro. Yarbo. Tarbo, fazana. Manarba. Mana. Si changda dung ngani. Tarbo fazana. Hello. Wanda. Input की mic तो थमे. Internet तो थमे. तो थमे तारबो. Internet तो थमे Wanda थमगे. थमे लोना समाना रे यार बो साउंड यार बा फजन तारे साथो ngang kita bro यार को
Anong may yung
Yarbo.
Yarbo.
Ako sila kundi mo sila aga lang.
Check. Check. Taruh. Check. Check.
Hello.
Check. 1, 2, 3. Check. Check. 1, 2, 3. Ada itu pun ada. Check. Sound check. Okay.
Hello. Hello, testing, hello. Jiribam जिरीबाम ताबीब्रो हेलो जिरीबाम
हेलो हेलो
तारे को मोरबुंग मोरबुंग हेलो मोरबुंग ताबीब्रो हेलो
ताई मोरबुंग ताई
तारे को ओके
नंग मोरबुंगी केनो ओइरब नत्रो कंग्रेचुलेशन अदो केनोने नखोगी कारपेट थाबदो कारपेट थाब नाकन नाकन सुलुतेनो नथलो नतरी होरेन काखपद तुबा स्लिप तोरगे तुबा याबो अदुगे हागे तौनी नाकन नाकन दा कोई ट्रांसपेरेंट सुलुतेनो अदुना नपो नाकन नाकन रेड कारपेट नाकन नाकन अखोई सिदगी उबदा अदुगो उबदगी हागे तो
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯣ
warm welcome to all the dignitaries to this branch, ATM inauguration and the outreach program. I extend a hearty welcome to Shri M. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat sir, Honorable Union Minister of State Finance, Government of India, Shri K. Rabindra, Deputy Speaker. Shri Amit Meena, IAS, Secretary to the Union Minister of State for Finance, Shri R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Northeast Circle, and the President of today's meeting. I also extend a hearty welcome to Shri Namthang Haukut, MLA of Saitu Assembly Constituency, for joining us from Mothbin Branch, Shri K. Sharad Singh, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Processing Industries Corporation, joining us from Jiribam Branch. I also extend a hearty welcome to all our participants and senior functionaries of the government departments, bank officials, media persons and beneficiaries present in today's program. We are honored and delighted to have such distinguished and esteemed personalities amongst us today. Before we move into the proceedings of today's program, we would like to take this opportunity to welcome our dignitaries in our Manipuri traditional custom. I would hereby request our Chief General Manager of State Bank of India, Northeast Circle, Shri R.S. Ramesh sir, to felicitate our esteemed dignitaries. I would now like to request our CGM sir to felicitate Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat sir, Honorable Union Minister of State for Finance. Also request our CGM sir to felicitate Shri Y. Joy Kumar Singh, Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur. I also request our CGM sir to felicitate Shri K. Rabindra, Deputy Speaker. I request sir to felicitate Shri Amit Meena, Secretary to Union Minister of State for Finance. Before we begin the credit outreach program, I would like to request the dignitaries on the dais to light the inaugural lamp on this auspicious occasion. been joined by Shri S. Rajan, Education Minister. I would like to request our CGM, sir, to felicitate our Education Minister. I now request Shri R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Northeast Circle, to deliver the keynote address.
Very good morning to all of you. Namaskar. My R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, State Bank of India, Northeast Circle. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Most Honorable Minister of State for Finance, Dr. Bhagwat Krishan Rao Karad. Most Honorable Chief Minister, Sri Biren Singh. Sri Joy Kumar Singh, Deputy Chief Minister of Manipur, the Education Minister who is here with us, Sri Robin Singh, Deputy Speaker, Government of Manipur, Sri Amit Meena, IAS, PS to the Minister of Finance, the dignitaries who are present in this meeting this morning, the beneficiaries of this credit outreach program who are the very reason for us to be here amidst you this morning. A very good morning to each one of you and a warm welcome to this credit outreach program. Sir, across the country, the credit outreach program is happening across the districts, and today is the most blessed day for the state of Manipur and for the State Bank of India, because we are privileged to be part of this endeavor of the credit outreach program, where we are extending credit facility to 829 beneficiaries, close to about 6.75 crores. Today we have amidst us the beneficiaries pertaining to various activities, and it's our privilege and honor that the Honorable Minister of State for Finance will be extending the in-principle sanction letters, along with the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, who has kindly consented to be here amidst us this morning for this credit outreach program. Sir, on behalf of State Bank of India, it's my privilege to extend a warm welcome to Dr. Bhagwat Krishan Rao Karad, the Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Sri Biren Singh, the Deputy Speaker, the Education Minister, and all the Deputy Chief Minister who are present here this morning for this function. I once again thank all the beneficiaries to be present here and help us to develop the state of Manipur, and giving State Bank of India and other banks the opportunity to be part of this wonderful credit outreach program. With this, once again, I extend a warm welcome to each one of you for this program, and looking forward for continued engagement and prosperity of the state of Manipur. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I would now like to request Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, and Dr. Bhagwat Krishan Rao Karad, sir, Honorable Union Minister of State of Finance, to inaugurate 2 SBI branches and 1 SBI ATM.
Sir, on the very same occasion, it's our privilege to open 2 branches of State Bank of India. In the taking advantage of the presence of the Honorable Minister of State for Finance and the Chief Minister of Manipur with the other ministers who are present here. Sir, we are opening 2 branches, one at Motbung and one at Jiribam and one ATM. So 3 activities are planned this morning. Sir, as on date, State Bank of India has 50 branches. Actually, SBI is blessed that last month Honorable Chief Minister had inaugurated the 50th branch actually in Yaripok. So today 51st and 52nd branches. Sir, we are thankful to you. 50, 51, 52, you are the most respected and Honorable Chief Minister who has blessed us for opening these 3 branches. With the opening of these 2 branches, sir, SBI will have 52 branches in Manipur. At Motbung in Kangpoi district, we will be serving a population of 24,000, covering about 33 villages. It is the first bank branch in the Motbung area. I repeat, Motbung branch in Kangpoi will be serving a population of 24,000, covering 33 villages. It is the first bank branch. Sir, in Jiribam, SBI's first branch in this district, which is bordering Assam. Prior to this, Jiribam was having 3 banks. With the opening of Jiribam branch, now SBI will be serving a population of 43,000, covering about 51 villages in the district. With this, State Bank of India will be covering all the 16 districts in the state of Manipur, sir. The opening of branches is our bank's commitment to increase our penetration in financial inclusion and also enhancing the business interest and improve the customer service. In our commitment to extend financial support to the public of Manipur, in extension to the previous loan mela which we held on 28 September under the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister at this very same venue, where we had extended sanction letters to 414 numbers amounting to 11.34 crores was distributed. During this meeting, we will be covering further set of beneficiaries for this credit outreach program. Sir, SBI has been supporting the public till date and has been financing SME loans, KCC loans in agri, piggery, cattle rearing, as well as mudra loans. Manipur is also top in small and hill states category undertaking street vendor under PM Sonidhi scheme. Banks in Manipur have financed 45,349 numbers under mudra schemes. Sir, I am really privileged to mention that these 2 bank branches will offer the very same facilities which is available in Mumbai. Any branch in Mumbai, whatever facilities the customers are having there, they will be having the facility in these very remote places. So that is the privilege that State Bank of India is having to extend this bank branch facility, sir. Thank you very much. I would request Honorable Minister of State for Finance and the Honorable Chief Minister to inaugurate the Motbung and Jiribam branches of State Bank of India. Thank you very much, sir. And one ATM.
Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and dignitaries on the dais, I declare that the 2 branches, one at Motbung, other at Jiribam, and one ATM in Impal is, I declare here it is open virtually. Thank you.
We now request Shri Ngamthang Hau. We now request SBI Motbung branch and Shri Ngamthang Haukip, MLA of Site 2, Assembly constituency to cut the ribbon on behalf of the honorable dignitaries here. We request Sri Ngamthang Haukip, MLA of Saitu Assembly constituency, to cut the ribbon on behalf of the honorable dignitaries here.
Yeah.
It's now okay.
State Bank of India, Modbung branch, inaugurated by Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, along with Dr. Bhagavat Kishan Rao Karat, Most Honorable Union MOS Finance, Government of India, in presence of Sri Ngamthang Haukip, Honorable MLA Saitu AC, Manipur, Sri R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, SBI, Northeast India, on 29/10/2021. Thank you.
We are pleased to have with us the Chief of Modbung, who would like to felicitate our honorable dignitaries. We would request the Chief of Modbung to felicitate our honorable Chief Minister. We would request to felicitation of our Union Minister. Felicitation of our Deputy Chief Minister. Felicitation of our Chief General, our Deputy Speaker, sir. Felicitation of our Education Minister. Felicitation of Shri Amit Meena. And felicitation of our Chief General Manager, SBI Northeast Circle. We will now be inaugurating our SBI Jirbam branch with the branch code 63958. We request Shri K. Sharat Singh, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Processing Industry Corporation, to cut the ribbon on behalf of the honorable dignitaries here. We request Shri K. Sharat Singh, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Processing Industries Corporation, to cut the ribbon on behalf of the honorable dignitaries here.
SBI, State Bank of India, Jirbam branch, inaugurated by Sri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister Manipur, along with Dr. Bhagat Kishan Rao Karat, Honorable Union MOS Finance, Government of India, in the presence of Sri R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, SBI Northeast Circle, on 29th October 2021. Thank you.
With that, we have just completed the inauguration of 2 of our SBI branches and 1 ATM in Imphal.
Just a minute. Pungam thang Jiribam Kanogi Morbungi Sik Jiribamla Jiribam ki tabro tasar tabro Onang Kanoda Morbungi Okay Morbung
Jiribam
Oh Kano office karambo office nong na sabro diba Hanagi labor officer
Hanagi municipality ki supermarket room hello.
Okay. Say Honorable Kano Union Minister Finance State na mangon dagi thanks pigi haye ko mampan.
Today, State Bank of India has given chance to open bank at Jiribam. So on this occasion, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Mr. Birendra Singh, and all dignitaries are on the dais, and I declare this bank is open in that place, and as Mr. Ramesh, who is a CGM, said, the facilities available in the topmost bank in Mumbai, that is a corporate office, will be available in that place of the Manipur. That is very important. So I congratulate.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Yes, I congratulate Mr. CGM, Ramesh, and all the bank staffs, including the chairman of the State Bank of India, Mr. Dinesh Khara. He is all the time helpful for us. We meet frequently, and we have decided to open all the banks in all states. So I congratulate State Bank of India. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
Oh, Pungam Thang. Saksara bro. Being a Fangane of Zikha. Being a Fange, Kangpopi district, Morbung, Maro in a Yam, Nanga, Yam Toina Hango, Hypo Hange, Morbung in Tausu, Harabo Uden as the Ha. Good. Was it another Quaki Union Minister Nuki Damta, Aduki Damta, winner Sangabagi Lakpani, Adu Mangon the Giwahiam in the Tasiko. Is the Honorable MLA?
Honorable MLA is present there. Actually, we have done opening virtually, but he is physically present there. And he is representing thousands or lakhs of people present from there. And I understand the facility which is available in the State Bank of India will be in his constituency. So naturally, I congratulate Honorable MLA from that area, and with all the banking facilities, he will take lead for different Honorable Prime Minister's different schemes, which I am going to talk in my speech now. Thank you. Congrats.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Hayo, Honorable MLA, hayo lune. Tasin hayo ne. Hayo.
Sir, nungaire. Sana puryo ina. State Bank tang hanglega. Si Morbung siyaw na. Ang dog pasi koi Morbung area yo ina. Yam harawe. Yam nungaye. Masina koi ramda development facility mayama. Lakini hai koi hajabat hamne. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sirs. With that, we will proceed with the opening of our SBI ATM in Imphal. I request for cutting of the ribbon at the ATM booth. I request the AGM Imphal branch for cutting of the ribbon at the ATM booth.
State Bank of India, Imphal DCB, inauguration of SBI ATM. Why? Sri Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, along with Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Bharat, Honorable Minister of State Finance, Governor of Manipur, presence of Sri R.S. Ramesh, Chief General Manager, SBI, 9/10/2021. Thank you.
I would now like to request Dr. Bhagwat Kishan Rao Karat, sir, Honorable Union Minister of State for Finance, Government of India, to address the gathering.
खुरुम जारी ई डॉक्टर कराड़ नी ई सीधा लक पासे याम नुनाग्नि Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Yan Biren Singh Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister and Finance Minister, Mr. Jokman Singh, Honorable Deputy Speaker of the Assembly of Manipur, Honorable Education Minister of Manipur, Mr. Ramesh, who is a CGM and active bank executive from Assam, who has come here for this function, Mr. Amit Meena, who is IAS and secretary with me, and all the friends who have come for the function. I first of all thanks Honorable Chief Minister of the state for spending valuable time yesterday and today with us. I, being a MOS Finance from Government of India, our beloved Prime Minister advised us to go to different states, particularly northeastern states, and to see that the economy of these states will be equal or more than the other states of India. As he says, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Vishwas, and Sabka Prayas. Now, one more thing he has added is a Sabka Prayas. तो हम सब लोग सबको विश्वास में लेके सबका विकास करना है और ये विकास करने के लिए सबको प्रयास करना जरूरी है। तो इस सिलसिले में मैं यहाँ स्पेशल स्टेट लेवल बैंक कमेटी का मीटिंग मैं लेने आया था और मीटिंग लेते समय मैं इस मीटिंग लेते समय मैं बताना चाहता हूँ मणिपुर में under the leadership of Chief Minister Mr. Biren Singh, the banks are doing well in certain sectors, particularly Jan Dhan account. The Jan Dhan account which has opened in the Manipur are better than the national figure. At the same time, other schemes are also doing well. And I have taken meeting with the different bankers. Honorable Deputy Chief Minister was also there. Additional Chief Secretary was also there. The Finance Secretary was also there. Certain things, which decisions we have taken, I want to declare here. If you compare the banks in the Manipur, the banks ratio per lakh population is, in the national ratio is 14. But in Manipur, that ratio was low. Banks ratio was only 8. So I told all the bankers, nationalized bankers and the public sector bankers and private sector bankers to open the banks. And in the meeting, it is decided that the 30 banks, 30 bank branches will be open before the 31st March this financial year. That is a good thing. Even the ATMs are essential for the public services. The ATMs are also little bit less. So I had a meeting with all bankers, and around 40 ATMs will be open within these 4 to 5 months. This will be available for the people's services. Not only that, the Kisan credit cards, which are also opened in the state under the leadership of our Chief Minister. To give the loan for 1.6 lakhs, no collateral is required. So I have discussed with all bankers, and the Kisan credit card will be issued to the different farmers where the collateral is not required below 1.6. Even the Mudra loans. Yesterday we had meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister, and I have instructed all the bankers to find a data to what are the different applications in this state for the Mudra loans, where the Mudra loan applications are more. And as he said, he will come with certain state policy to give or to improve the business in the state with the help of the Mudra loan and with the help of the state, with the policy. Naturally, the people will be easy. The people or the business will have a easy to do the business. So I have instructed to banks. The one thing important is CASA. CASA means credit account and saving accounts. I am really happy to understand that the CASA accounts in the valley are very good. It is a 90%. But in the hilly area, it is less. So, Honorable CM Sir, all bankers, private as well as nationalized bank, they are going to organize a camp from 10th November to 10th December. 1 month. All the banks, private as well as national bank, they will go on the field. They will take help of the state government, and they will take ASHA workers of some state governments. They will go door to door to open the account, And we will see that the Manipur will be one of the topmost state in the banking services that we have decided. And I told them that I will be coming after 6 months to see the progress. I am not announcing. I will take the follow-up also. So naturally, the bank officers will work together with the state and they will help. I am the finance minister of MOS of the government of India. So there are 230 places where there is no bank activity in the country. And out of these 230 places, the 4 are in the state of Manipur. Yesterday I had discussed with you. So that 4 places are Maumul North, Maumul South, Chingjarol, Kulen, and Chingjarol, Kulen North and South. Now these 4 sites we have distributed to the 4 banks. Out of these 2 were taken by the State Bank of India. Our CGM is sitting here. He said the bank activity will be started there under the guidance of State Bank of India. Mr. Ramesh, who is the CGM, he said. At the same time, one place I have given to the SDFC Bank and the other is given to the ICICI Bank. So there is no place, there will be no place in the Manipur or no village in the Manipur where there is no bank activity. It is decided in the meeting and they will be starting their activity very soon. Now, in financial things, the finance is very important. You know, due to COVID-19, there were different problems, health problems, but the finance sector was open. All the banks was open. So I congratulate to all the bank officers and their staff for working in the COVID-19. And not only that, after COVID-19 means still we are taking care for the COVID-19, but our finance sector, our economy is growing well. Our GST is coming, our expectations are up to 1 lakh crore per month, but we are getting more amount on that also. Though India's economy is growing on and the results are good after post-COVID era. At the same time, our CD ratio we have to increase, and to increase the CD ratio, we are going to take one conclave at the national level. But here in the Manipur, we have asked Mr. C. Ramesh or Mr. Ramesh, who is a CGM, to take the different credit outreach programs. So today, this is one of the credit outreach programs. Here, we are going to give credit to 585 persons. 585 people will be benefited from this credit outreach program, and the distribution will be around 39.16 crores today. This is a big amount. So we will be giving loan up to 39.16 crores to 585 people. So such type of credit outreach program will be taken in different parts of the Manipur state, different states of the different districts also. Out of 112 aspirational districts in the country, there is only one district in Manipur. One district. So I have asked all the banks which are present, there are I think 4 or 5 branches there. So I have asked all the 5 branches to work vigorously and to give credit to that districts. So that district will not remain aspirational district. So that district will be progressed. There will be development in that districts. So I have instructed the particular branches in that districts. In short, the finance is a very important, and finance important. The financial conditions must be increased. So Government of India, we are working on the three things. Number one, financial inclusion. As I have discussed or I have told, the accounts will be open. Second important is digital transactions is also important. And third is financial literacy. I want to tell you that I have told to the NABARD people to give one van for one district, and they have accepted. So the one van for financial literacy will be given to one district. They will go to the rural place. They will tell to the people, or there will be announcement, and their awareness of the finance will be done in the particular villages. That system or that program will be started from 10th of November, and I hope all these things, the finances conditions of the Manipur will be increased, and Manipur will be a good developing stage, and particularly the different small MSME, microfinance will be increased in the Manipur, and this will be a developed stage. I thank you for the hospitality given by Honorable CM, Deputy CM, and all the officials. Since yesterday I am in the town, and I thank you everybody. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I will now request Shri N. Biren Singh, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, to address the gathering.
Very good morning to all of you. Honorable Minister Dr. Bhagavat Krishna Rao Karat, Union MOS Finance, Deputy Chief Minister, Honorable Minister Sri Rajan, Honorable Deputy Speaker Sri Robindro, Sri R.S. Ramesh, the Chief General Manager of SBI Northeast Circles, and the other officials, the State Bank of India and other banks, media friends, and the beneficiaries of today's loan distribution. Ladies and gentlemen, at our outset, I express our pleasure that Dr. Bhagavat Krishna Rao Karat, Honorable Minister of State Finance, is with us today on this significant occasion. Friends, financial inclusion is a national priority to enable inclusive growth. Yesterday also, both of us discussed in various issues about the banking in the state, and he have already assured in his speech that another branches will be coming up soon in the state, and door-to-door staff for opening of account by each and every household in the state will be continued, will be started. So I am very thankful for the kind of innovative ideas and venture. We are thankful to the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for leading this country out of the hardship caused by the pandemic. We in the state government are also committed to provide financial inclusiveness, especially to support the marginalized and socio-economically neglected classes. I would like to inform to all of you through this media. Now, there's the present, status in the MSME, micro, small, medium entrepreneurship, and the providing of job not only the white collar jobs through this kind of self-employment, Manipur stood first in the entire smaller region, smaller state of the country. I will show you the very interesting one. It is the calculated and published by the Government of India, analysis of Udyam registration data. Government of India. Government of India na phongba sigi 2021 ki data se da akoina MSME da mani akoigi micro small medium entrepreneurship sine aduga akoigi self employed ki akoina tawrei be hek sahi akoigi sarkar lakpa ki loan macha fishery ki oiro fishabi ki oiro adagi kaithen phanbi ki oiro tawrei be mayam se machine kya mo yamna khode economically kana ba pi ge bu on ida gi moi gi phom ba kan dai koina smaller states sing dai koi states na top tai na adugi nungai bu du mayam da ai phongdok pani ngasi makta su pi do ri si yang kre adugai koina huji phau da koina tawgi bai da we are implementing various schemes to achieve financial inclusion why digi maru e badi machine imung da yum da kogi paisa thokchana bagi adugumba lambi sem baduli kogi state government gi hek hobudagi satharis aduna Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana has been implemented for the last 4.5 years in the state. A total of 5 lakhs a total of 5 lakhs 13,359 households have been covered. 5 lakhs 13,359 households has been covered, and a total of 10.10 lakhs lakh tara ga lising tara beneficiary koi cover do kano machanate noma gi tha da amoni raks minus sum tawba sina sahi mari makai se punjal lakanda lakh tara gi mathak yore under the Mudra schemes also Bank in Manipur have financed a total of 45,349 beneficiary amounting 356 crores. Miyoi lising ni phu mangaga chahung ni phu mapanda Mudra loan pire masidai da crore chahung yang kai daru ne khoi na piris suguma mayam sidagi ninga saigi data holop kanda ek Manipur gi economy fagale employee self employee gi machine handle en hairis heta hai banate aduna 30,284 KCC card have been issued. Akoi Kisan credit card na hai se koi Manipur se da Manipur Kisan credit card ki machine handari kari gi no hai kanda akoi gi Kisan kaino sing si lomi sing si masagi maming da kaino leitaba low leitaba tanan toina leiba salaga u bai tare aduna phangba yadabna mayam am su leiba adu boi koina I have already requested to the central government to modify it a little bit so that the tanan also can be included in the list of the Kisan card. वो हमने request तो किया है just agriculture ministry को उसको देखेंगे तो देखना चाहिए. We are popularizing agriculture infrastructures and the AIF so that more can avail subsidized loans under the scheme. Under the PM Subnidhi है बदुगी scheme मखादा 7,466 loans have been distributed. In fact, 94% of the beneficiaries are women. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji women's empowerment. Nupi sing ne hana sakti piba, nupi sing pibam phagana bahonan ba, nupi sing lifestyle improve tawna bahona ba. Adugi ayam madudai da koi 94% di nupi sing da ayam ba piedal. Manipur is also the highest amongst the Northeast state undertaking street vendor loans under PM Subnidhi scheme. Street vendor loan koi ne piri se Manipur sina khwai gi ame. Koi smaller states singi manungda. Aduna means street thogla aga nomagi insang na pi yo laga thari ba awaba singdo madu urakanda moigi life khara nungai janana ba street ta pham da ba ya ba atopa jaga da moigi business sok ba ya na ba gi adu mogi makhal gi alternative arrangements government sina tawri haijabani. My state is promoting entrepreneurs in a big way through Manipur startup scheme. Recently we have provided assistance to 5,477 beneficiaries. We have provided assistance to 5,477 entrepreneurs and sanctioned rupees 114.56 crore since the launch of the schemes. Akwai government je lapuga startup si 2017 ki last part akwai na startup launch to budo adudagi na hujik phawbada akwai crore samaga tara mariga point yankai taruk lakh yankai taruk se akwai startup ki entrepreneurs in the thabak phangdaba na harol sing aduga entrepreneur masa masa tokjaba business masa masa tokjaba sing da akwai paisa pikre 114.56 crore. Today, with the opening of 2 branches today at Jiribam and Modbung, SBI will have 52 branches in all over the state. Once again, I would like to thank and congratulate the SBI authority for taking some initiative in the state. And I am also happy to learn that with the opening of this SBI branch in Jiribam, SBI will be serving all districts in Manipur. Which is the SBI branch like the district. Out of the 16 districts, we have opened all SBI branches in all districts. I also congratulate the 100 beneficiaries, Ngasigi Sama, Mi Sama, Pigadra beneficiaries present here today, who are being handed over, going to hand over the sanction order for loans. Ngasigi Pidor a total of 1,570 loan beneficiaries dani adu Pidor riba total na 65.50 crores la crore humpu mangaga lakh yankhai ni ngasi Pidor se mioina lising amaga changma humdra ngasigi covid kari leiba SOP kai ge leiba gi matungina koina sida kaujari se only sam khatani aduga mayam state ki oina loan block oina pika dorisina 1,570. Thank you, State Bank of India. I am confident that SBI and other banks in Manipur, say Kanogi, Bank of Baroda, Gi, Ladiba, ICDFC, Gi, Ladiba. Now every bank operating in the state are cooperating with the state government, and it is a good beginning. Earlier, bank doesn't take care much to the entrepreneurs. But in the last 4.5 years, I would like to thank the ministry, the Honorable Minister also. Just the banks are helping, giving helping hand to the needy peoples. Aduna Kanosi, I'm confident that SBI and the others bank in Manipur will continue its efforts to provide banking services to the people of the state residing in the interior, hilly or rural areas. I congratulate the banks in their Maidan branches with their new branches. I wish them my best wishes. Thank you and Jai Hind.
We will now proceed with the credit outreach program organized by State Bank of India and participated by Bank of Baroda, Punjab National Bank, Indian Bank, UCO Bank, Manipur Rural Bank and Manipur State Cooperative Bank. We will now hand over sanction letters to the beneficiaries present here. I would request our Honorable Chief Minister to start with handing out of the sanction letter. We will begin with the beneficiaries. As and when I called out, I request the beneficiaries to come up on stage. Vincent Rangsung Thoiba. Vincent Rangsung Thoiba Angeles from Maram. He has been sanctioned a Stand-Up India loan of 24 lakhs. Next, I request Ko Momai to come up on the stage. Next, D.N.G. Khole, Dominic Anjuna, K.H. Kabita Devi, Ko Mamai from Tadubi has been sanctioned Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana of 2,70,000. Next, D.N.G. Khole, Dominic Anjuna, NG Khole from Senapati. Dominic Anjuna from Senapati. Pigri loan of 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. KH Kabita Devi. Sekmai. DNG Khole from Senapati. 8 lakhs mudra loan. Bankim Singh from Sekmai. PH Tombi Devi from Sekmai. Kabita Devi from Sekmai, a piggery loan of 58,800. Bankim Singh Rakhara Thona. PH Tombi Devi, Barabaja from Sekmai. He has been sanctioned 1,60,000 of piggery, Bankim Devi. PH Tombi Devi from Sekmai, 58,800 agri. Piggery. Barabaja from Sekmai. Khubru Self-Help Group Sekmai. Lanlema Self-Help Group Sekmai. PH Barabaja from Sekmai. 1.17 lakhs piggery loan. Khubru Self-Help Group from Sekmai. Lanlema Self-Help Group from Sekmai. Tengbang Bas Self-Help Group from Sekmai. Lemaral Self-Help Group from Sekmai. Wanglen from Sekmai. Lanlema Self-Help Group from Sekmai. 1,50,000. Tengbangba Self-Help Group. Lemarel Self-Help Group from Sekmai.
Tengbang na ba?
Tengbang. Khobru Self-Help Group yaw bibra. Self-Help Group Khobru ra. Khobru Self-Help Group from Sekmai, 1,50,000. Tengbangba Self-Help Group from Sekmai, 2,50,000. Next, Lemarel Self-Help Group from Sekmai, 1,50,000. Wanglen from Sekmai. Laishram Prasajit. Wanglen from Sekmai. Tractor loan of 10,80,000. 10,80,000 tractor loan. Laishram Prasajit from Sekmai. From Sekmai. Mudra piggery of 5 lakhs. Lingzauzam Haukip. RK Surjit from Loktak Hepa. Laminlan Gangtir Super Maina. Lingzauzam Haukip. Haukip sir. Lingzauzam Haukip from Sekmai, 5 lakhs mudra poultry. RK Surjit from Loktak. Asset backed loan of 15 lakhs. Next is Laminlal Gangpir, Sapar Maina, 3 lakhs mudra loan. Lam Ngaikem Haukip, Sapar Maina. Kamboy Kipgen Kampokpi, Letting Neng Haukip Kampokpi. Naming Ling Kipgen. Namingchu? Lam Ngaikem Haukip from Sapar Maina, 4 lakhs piggery. Kamboy Kipgen. Kamboy Kipgen from Saparmaina, 4 lakhs degree. Seikho John Kipgen. Seikho John Kipgen, mamam. Bảo Minh Thắng Kipgen, mamam. Tông Thắng Hào Kip. Name Ting Ning Kipgen. Name Ting Ning Kipgen of 50,000 KCC. 50,000 KCC from Kakpopi. Seikha John Kipgen from Kangpopi, 50,000 KCC. Pao Minh Thang Kipgen. Ngalam. Pao Minh Thang Kipgen, Kangpopi, 50,000 KCC. Tong Thang Hao Kip, Kangpopi. Ngalam Kangpopi. Ngalam Kangpopi. Satan Lan Hao Kip. Ngalam Kangpopi, 50,000 KCC. Seram Pradeep Kumar Singh Singsamay. Seram Pradeep Kumar Singh Singsamay. Satan Lal Hao Kip Kangpopi, 50,000 KCC. Senhao Hao Kip Churchanpur. Kai Khomang Paite Churchanpur. Seram Pradeep Kumar Singh Singsamay. PABL of 3,85,000. 3,85,000 PABL. Senhao Hao Kip. Last time. Cầm nó anh nuôi làm hẹp chiếm rồi nó cũng khổ rồi anh nuôi làm kịp bồi đi. This is only our banks.
Other banks you can and then tell for the others. Respective banks will hand over you can in local language you can.
Okay, so one last. I'm just calling him. Kai Khomang Paite Churchanpur.
Tell them it will be given separately.
40 lakhs asset back loan. 40 lakhs asset back loan. Kai Khomang Paite Churchanpur.
SBI is enough. Please stop it. No, other banks. Any sanction letters are there, other banks?
We will move ahead with money.
Yeah.
I now request Shri Amit Kumar, DGM SBI Administrative Office Shillong, to offer the vote of thanks. Due to other prior engagement of our dignitaries, we will first offer the vote of thanks and then continue with the distribution of the sanction letters.
Yeah. So it's better to give vote of thanks. Bismarck, you give vote of thanks. It's better. In local language. Sir, local.
Please tell her in local language that the loan sanction letters will be given by the respective banks. You please tell that. You tell no whatever language you know. You Hindi mein boli na. Please tell that. And then you can give it a thanks. Sir.
Makata balloon sing respective banks sing na kona tap nag yen mo oirni huzikiti.
Hojik word of thanks loiraga lakwa mayam loina sanction letter liengani aduna dum ngaibiu.
Very good afternoon, respected CM sir, respected Minister of State sir, Deputy CM sir, Speaker sir, Minister sir. So it's a pleasure to have inauguration of two bank branches of SBI in your gracious presence. And also sir, as you mentioned in Bankers Committee meeting also, so our endeavor will be to provide more financial assistance to the state and also opening of the branches more and more, so that we will be at par with all other states of the country, and we will surpass the national average also. And last month also we conducted one loan mela, so our endeavor will be always we will conduct loan mela and MSME financing also, fisheries also sir, as you told. So thank you very much sir. Yeah, thank you sir. Yeah, press conference.
Hojik press conference leibi ni press media sing ready leibiu. Press media sing mamang da lakpiu. Press meet leigani hojik. Press media yang hojik interaction ki damang mamang lengjen biu. 5 minutes interaction.
थोड़ा आगे जाइए।
रोशन जा रहा है।
नंगी लोगों तो उधरे
आज भोपाल शहर में हमारे यहाँ के लोकप्रिय मुख्यमंत्री माननीय वीरेंद्र सिंह जी के अध्यक्षता में यहाँ एक क्रेडिट आउटरीच प्रोग्राम लिया गया, जिसमें अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 188 लोगों को 33 करोड़ का लोन दिया गया है। इसी में से मणिपुर छोटी स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज हो, स्मॉल बिजनेसमैन हो, सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप, उन्हीं को मदद मिल रहा है। मैं दिल्ली से यहाँ आया हूँ, मिनिस्टर ऑफ स्टेट फॉर फाइनेंस। हमारे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय नरेंद्र मोदी जी का सपना है सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास और सबका प्रयास। सब लोगों को साथ में लेके मणिपुर का विकास करना है, इसलिए हमें इधर भेजा गया है। स्पेशल SLBC बैंक कमेटी की मीटिंग ली और उसी में जिस एरिया में बैंक्स नहीं है ऐसे 30 बैंक्स ये मार्च के पहले इनॉग्रेशन करने का हमने डिसाइड किया है। उसी के साथ बैंक या बिजनेस करस्पॉन्डेंस को भी बढ़ाने का डिसीजन हो चुका है। यहाँ मणिपुर में ATM का फैसिलिटी देने के लिए अराउंड 38 ATMs का इनॉग्रेशन या उद्घाटन जल्दी हो जाएगा। इसी के साथ फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी बढ़ना, डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन बढ़ना, इसे इसलिए हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट में एक मोबाइल वैन देने का प्रोविज़न नाबार्ड की तरफ से किया है और ये वैन जल्दी ही हर एक डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जाएंगी, बैंक के साथ रहेंगी और फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी बढ़ने के लिए कोशिश करेंगे। इस एफर्ट्स के साथ मैं इतना ही बताना चाहता हूँ, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री माननीय मोदी जी का सपना है और ये सपना हमारे मुख्यमंत्री यहाँ के माननीय वीरेंद्र सिंह जी के नेतृत्व में ये सपना पूरा करने के लिए केंद्र सरकार पूरी तरह से मदद करने के लिए, मणिपुर सरकार के लिए मदद करने के लिए तैयारी कर रही है और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है माननीय वीरेंद्र सिंह के नेतृत्व में यहाँ की फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी बढ़ेगी, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन बढ़ेगा, डिजिटल ट्रांजैक्शन बढ़ेगा और मणिपुर एक अच्छा स्टेट, भारत देश का एक अच्छा स्टेट बोल के आगे आएगा, ये मैं पूरी उम्मीद के साथ बताऊँ।